moving on to our next speaker, I would now like to invite Dr. H.K. Saleh to add preventive healthcare in context of Indian healthcare. Can we please have Dr. Saleh up on stage with us?
Very good morning to all of you, dear friends. Thank you for giving me opportunity to talk here about the prevention of the healthcare delivery in Indian scenario. My previous speakers, they have told about the both urban and rural, particularly in the rural sector, how the scenario of the healthcare is there. Now we always say when we started learning our medicine, since the beginning we always say that prevention is better than cure. And it's a fact. Earlier, last maybe more than 60, 70 years, we were talking about the communicable diseases for the prevention. And I proudly say we have achieved to some extent in communicable diseases. The government of India has declared some of the diseases are cured from India, maybe like smallpox, polio, and so forth, so forth. But now the day has come for the non-communicable diseases also, as few of the speakers and the wing commander, Dr. Simpi, said about that. So we can prevent, we can detect the early some of the diseases. And it's the time now, as the population is growing so much so in India, and awareness has definitely started in India, in particularly urban population. The patients, they are coming now, the community population is coming and they are asking for, I want a whole body checkup like that. But that's very few, wherein they are getting detected early as far as these diseases are concerned. But with the help of maybe unless and until there is a fusion between the private sector and the public sector, it's very difficult to deliver these services. That's what I feel. And I always say it. Unless until there is a fusion of government and public sector, it's difficult. This private sector, sorry. Only when it comes to a private sector to deliver these services for the community, where the cost is involved, it becomes difficult for the community to bear the cost. So somewhere government has to come forward and support this. As far as we are concerned, we are running a multi-speciality hospital, and definitely every month at least 2 disease diagnostics camps we are conducting. And through that we come to know early detection of the diseases, whether it is a hypertension, whether it is a diabetes, or whether it's related with the cancer detection camps, how it helps to the people that we have analyzed. So I proudly say, or I definitely say, that these things are required. Moreover, where we are lacking, in my almost 40 years of my profession in the medical profession, where we are, the health education, which is lacking too much, particularly in rural population. Urban population, definitely it is growing and people are coming forward. But definitely we are lacking a health education. And even though the government sector is there and they are doing at their level, but which is not sufficient, that's what I feel. And the population, which is almost 70% staying in the rural area, they definitely require a health education. And how to deliver this with the existing infrastructure which is available in private sector and public sector. With so much of population, that is the thought process everybody has to give. The awareness, now there is social media, electronic media, print media, so many things are there. With all these things, how we can deliver the awareness amongst the community, among the population, is very important. Now when this gentleman neurosurgeon was talking about the saving the brain, whether it's a brain or heart or anything else. See how the delivery is done to the community and how they reach to the healthcare providers in early time, and how to educate that. That's a big, big task. And unless until it has been taken positively, every one of us everyone, all the individuals those who are in the working in the healthcare sector, and those who are the administrators of this, right, from the government to the private sector, they have to take this as a task, and then only to some extent it is possible. That's what I feel. So always, it's a prevention is better than cure. So we are very much technologically almost one of the developing countries for the medical. So that's why we talk of medical tourism. A lot of foreigner patients are coming in India. They are getting treated. We are providing the cutting edge technology in India. Everything is available now. But what about our own population, which is stay in the rural area and even a part of the urban area also, wherein they are below poverty line. So it's time to think and educate them about the health, and that will probably to some extent prevent the lot of burden which once the disease happens and they come late, it becomes difficult and it is the burden to the population wherein they can't afford. Even though some of the schemes by the governments are available, those schemes are really meagre schemes which are not enough to sustain the cost of the cure. Thank you very much giving me an opportunity to talk on the prevention.
The next award for Best Multi-Speciality Hospital in Pune, the award goes to Noble Hospital Private Limited. Please welcome Dr. H.K. Saleh, Executive Director, Noble Hospital and States.